How to find and see all your review activity and archive on your Instagram account. Hello guys, how it's going? Today we'll teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. The first step is going to Instagram and open it. After this, when your Instagram is open, you will just go here on your profile and open it. After this, you will go to this three line at the top of the screen and click. Then go to your activity and then go to interaction. You will click and you will go to the fourth option, review. As you see here, I have no review activity before in this Instagram account, so that's why I didn't find anything here. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.